Hello again, people. Right, cable update. This looks like it's going to go now and would be a perfect trade by the looks of these two breakout and closes. Bust, and there you can see it's going up now. Bust up, it's pulled back and messed about, and then breakout and close, that big bar there with momentum. As you can see, this is going now, and would have been a perfectly good trade for, it hasn't closed yet on the sort of bust on this one, but M1 would probably have given us an entry. Yeah, there's that's definitely higher than that. It's close through the 20. As you can see now, the momentum has come into the market, so you could have used M1 to trade it here, or here using the RSI histo. I, in fact, and this is, you know, I'm getting asked questions on Twitter that are already answered in numerous videos. You know, why do I use this? Well, it's there just to save me messing about going through every chart and doing every analysis. Swissy was weak. Pound was down here and quite strong with the reversal. So I actually changed tack and went for this chart here, which is something we can do with related pairs, and I've mentioned that in a video as well. So I implore you, watch some of my videos, guys. And if you're new to this, or a lot of them actually, there's no shortcuts to earning a living trading. It took me about 5 years, 4.5 years to become consistently profitable. Possibly I'm a bit of a slow coach, but you know, if that's what it takes, some people I know have taken 10 years to get there. So give it the time it requires to overcome, and it's mostly a mental game anyway. So you know, you've got to control your fear of missing out, and greed, and discipline, and that's what I try and instill, is that there are multiple trades everywhere, and all you have to do is dot your I's and cross your T's. And this, in my opinion, is one of the best methods out there, because you just, as in that cable setup I was talking about, all you do is wait patiently for the trade to come to you. And in this instance, I was just looking for a better setup. Cable was creating a mess. I got the heads up over here that things were looking good to trade against the Swissy. I was already looking at pound for the best entry. That's why I've got all these down here. So you'll generally find most pairs will go in the same direction, and the charts will look pretty similar. You know, all of these are. And just pick the one. It's not curve fitting. You're following the rules. Just pick the one that gives the best opportunity, and that does include gaps to targets and stuff like that. All these levels have been drawn on the charts hours ago, literally, and then the price will just find its way through them. It's not difficult. It isn't complicated. And what can I say? So back to, I expect the GCAD probably did the same. I haven't looked at any of these. No, GCAD and GA. Yeah, GA is a pretty similar thing. GCAD's the exception to the rule, but in this instance. But here's the trade. Just over, I think it's just shy of 8 pips. Might have been more. Took it to that H1 low there, the support that will be tested as resistance. I wasn't too worried about these levels here, purely because we'd waited so long, all the accumulation, waited patiently for the trade to make its move. You can see it's not even moved half its daily range yet. If I zoom out, you can clearly see the trend. So it was just a question of using the RSI alert, histo alert, to get a trade. And you know, this is the, whoops, mouse problems again. This is the downtrend. and this is the move to the upside. Low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. It's just making higher lows and higher highs, you know. And when price starts to move, that's when you take advantage of it. So that's it, guys. Another third winning trade of the day. Waited patiently for the trade to line up. Used this to pick the best of the batch with cable strength. And as I said in the previous video, cable, the daily had broken a significant level of support down, and the following day we tend to get a retracement. That's it, simple as that. And then the RSI just tells us when the momentum's coming into the market, and our confirmations, reversals, tell us when to take the trade down to the lowest time frame. So I forget what that actually was. You know, I took the trade to the level that you know, I tried the gaps. It was over 8 pips, 8.5 pips by the looks of it. This isn't major resistance because it's part of an uptrend. It hasn't forced the price down below a previous higher low. So this is just minor resistance, because yesterday I tweeted about how we get all our ducks in a row, and so on and so forth. And we have got tons of ducks in a row here. H4 possibly? No. In fact, it was, yeah, H4 is. That's the penultimate candle. We've closed above it. So, and didn't look at this one on the daily chart, but I took it based on the cable. We're at a massive level of support here. We've trended down. Big old red candle there for yesterday. So, retracements are on. It really is that straightforward, guys. You will get confidence the more you do this, but I implore you to watch a load of my videos, ask questions, and I will answer in a video if it merits an answer, if it's not already been talked about recently. Okay, thanks for watching. Sorry for the bit preach there, but third trade, third winner, and it is 10:42. Thank you for watching.